Aloha everyone. So I've been getting a lot of requests from people asking me to give an update on the Baby Beach area in Lahaina. Now, if you follow my channel, you know I've done several drone tour updates to the progress being made in Lahaina after the fire, but one area that isn't always captured in those videos is Baby Beach. In this really quick video, we're going to fly over Baby Beach's coastline and then circle back flying over the Lahaina Jodo mission and the Baby Beach neighborhood, so you can see what the area looks like more than 9 months after the big fire. Right now we're flying north, and off in the distance you can actually see Kaanapali and Kaanapali Beach. As we round the corner here, you'll see the Mala boat ramp coming into view. This area was just a 5-minute walk from my house in Kahoma Village, and it really was one of my favorite beaches on all of Maui. As you can see, at the time of this video, the beach is mostly empty, as it's still not open to tourists. By the way, I just saw an update from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers that said they have now cleared over 1,039 properties in Lahaina of their ash and debris. Even more good news, the first building permit has officially been approved for a Lahaina resident to rebuild their home. As we turn around and head south, we'll fly right over the Lahaina Jodo mission, where you can see the giant Buddha statue is still standing. But unfortunately, the temples were mostly destroyed by the fire. As we continue to fly over the neighborhood, you'll see several properties that were lost in the fire have had their ash and debris completely removed. And you'll see at the end of this video, the work is still in progress in this area. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on Lahaina's recovery. Feel free to share this video with anyone who cares about Lahaina. And I'd like to thank everyone for their continued support, as my last video had an incredible like to dislike ratio of over 99.6%. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.